Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite comfort foods, seared lamb liver and onions. This simple dish is packed with iron, vitamin A, vitamin B12 and folate, and it comes together with readily available ingredients. Whether you grew up eating liver or you're looking for a new way to enjoy it, this recipe is quick, delicious and perfect for any day of the week. As usual, you'll find the full ingredient list in the description below, so let's get cooking. I heat some oil and add the liver. I'm using lamb liver, but this recipe also works with goat liver if preferred. I sear the lamb on high heat while slowly building the flavors. At this point, I add the spices and seasonings. I'm using vegeta, paprika, cumin powder and coriander powder. I stir for about a minute, add mixed herbs, mix to combine and let it simmer on low for another minute. This time allows everything to come together. I add black pepper to taste, followed by the onions and salt to taste. I mix to combine and let it cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. The liver is cooked and it tastes amazing, and I don't need any more salt or seasoning. However, feel free to adjust salt and seasoning if needed, then allow a minute or two for everything to blend in. I now turn the heat off and serve. It pairs well with kisra, injera, rice, chapati or bread rolls. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it. If you do, kindly let us know how yours turned out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe for more of my simple recipes. Thanks for watching and bye for now.